Hey, what's up guys? So there's a new Galaxy Store app update available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we'll check out that update. So for that update, simply go into the Galaxy Store app and you will get to see that there's a new version number 4.6.02.7 available for the Galaxy Store. Simply tap on update now and it is a 36 MB of update on my device. After the update, the Galaxy Store will automatically close and you can open it and the update will be already installed. Meanwhile, if you haven't already, so you can update your device on the latest October security patch level. For that, simply go into the settings and tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here, you will get to see this new October 1st, 2025 security patch update. And once your Galaxy Store is updated, simply open it, then tap on menu and after that tap on updates. From here you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates also available. Most of these app updates include some bug fixes or some new features, so you can update them all by simply tapping on update all or tap on this icon in front of every app to update a single app. There's some new features and bug fixes with the GoodLock application also available. So after tapping on update all of these apps will be updated. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you about these new updates available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. Let me know in the comment section that have you got the Galaxy Store app update on your device or not yet. Also, let me know in the comment section that which feature of the One UI 8 update you like the most on your device. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.